everyone. Hi everyone. Today I have one new query from my Facebook viewer. He wanted to know, he is doing the synchronization. He wanted to know if he changing the ledger group at client side or server side, will the data sync automatically on another side? So let's see. We check. So here I have created one company, Alt-K Alta. So my company name is server here. Okay, I will open one more tally. And I will select one more company, client company. I have logged in my company. This financial year and everything is same. So this is my client company. So I will create here some ledgers. Okay, ledger CRE test 1 under capital. Okay, so I will create the rule here, Alt Z client rule create. So this is my master rule. I am doing the master synchronization and I am doing the local sync. Okay, so I will take my IP address, IPCON IP config. So my IP is not showing here currently. Okay, so my IP is 1.2. so let's create the rule 192.168.1.2 and I am giving my port and company name is server. Okay, so we are sending the data. So my rule is created. Okay, this is my client company and this is my server company. So in the client company I have created some ledgers. Okay, test ledger under capital and datars 2 under sundry datars and datars 1 under sundry datars. So I will send this data to my client. So we will check the log, activate rules, master rule for the client company in the server. So our setup is done. It is asking to activate the rule on server. So this is my server. I will activate the rule. So now rule is activated. I will sync the data from the client again. So data is going to server. Okay, it is sending the data to server. So my sync is completed. So in the server I will check alter ledger. So my datars under sundry datars 2 under sundry datars and test 1 under capital account. So my all client data has been synced to server. So I am going to change my group because customer is changing the group. So here suppose sundry data is there, I will take under sundry creditor. This also I will take under sundry creditors and test I will take under the investment. Now again I am going to sync the data. Right click synchronize. So the data is synchronizing. So after the synchronization we will go and check in the server machine. So this is my server machine, alter ledger. So I will go to the datars. Okay, so datars under datars, it was before it was sundry datars, now it is sundry creditors. and test 2 also, debtors 2 also is under sundry creditors, and test 1 is under investment. So whatever the customer is asking, according to that Tally Prime is working fine, there is no issue. So you can change your client grouping, okay, ledgers grouping, and after the synchronization, according to that it will update to the server. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share with your friends. Bye, take care.